Hello and welcome to FixMyFurnace.com. Today we're going to go over what a virtual diagnostic is. So what is a virtual diagnostic? A virtual diagnostic is a live one-on-one video chat between yourself and one of our certified HVAC technicians. We use that to troubleshoot issues that you may have. It's perfect for the DIY individual, homeowners, maintenance technicians that really, they have experience, but they just don't have the knowledge behind heating and cooling specifically, and that would be a fantastic option. I mean, it save you a ton of money. Like I said, at a third of the cost, you really can't beat it. It's super easy. All you got to do is click on the virtual diagnostic link there on our home page and set a date and time, and we'll reach out to you at that time. We also have a messenger tool on our website, and you can just click on the messenger icon in the bottom right hand of your screen there, and you can reach us directly through there as well for chat, for small questions that you think might be able to be answered that way. But that's a little bit about what a virtual diagnostic is, and hopefully I can give you a better understanding about it and a little bit more comfort in using the tool, because it really is a fantastic tool. It saves you a ton of time and a ton of money and a ton of frustration. Any other questions, feel free to reach out or comment on our page, and we'll look to see you on the site. Thanks a lot, guys.